Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Adin bagi sang pertai ni kisang terairi nak ni kathan stay lam ingi glayas no alang kawai hagasur jong ka one north east unai lam jong sang tipra motha upra diot manikya deb barma ulaong bakathan stay lam ingi kadai kathan ke barit pha bat dan kam banyateli knang bakasur jong ka north east kan sawah Delhi lem kumta on omdan basngam ulaong ba haba kinong Meghalaya ni ki weipat ki bana ki jila jong kathan north east omdan ba Ithuh eki kum kinong Meghalaya andai sha Delhi ki Ithuh eki kum kinong north east lani ki Chinki ki Momos lani ki Nepali ulaong bah Delhi ni syakran ben kumne henry habang yuan phaipat syaka jela jong nia pai paramangi ukhasi uisi garu ukuki uisi maitai bat kumta terter bat kene gede gejing baka north east kamla banyateli ulaong bagi dan gi jela jong ka thai north east ki ba ka jingbun bre jong ki kadang he ka wei ka district jong ka Uttar Pradesh ni Bihar Upradiut ulaong badai na katakada badan kam banyateli bandra ekimat jong ka than sha Delhi na do ka ILP ka jingwan rung kerthap ki bana bar bat shibun ki wei pat kiman ya mentau laong baka jinga kran hapok ni ka kenhun kadang ya kumno banang pen klan shu kanang baka north east kanong ka wei.
No, I don't think this has ever been discussed in the public domain. I think whoever has said this to you is probably, this is above his thing. We are all discussing and we are going to come out with a proper entity. We'll do it in a very measured and a balanced way. And there are many things. Name is not important. What is important is the people. The people's issues have to be delivered. Whether it is inner line permit, whether it is illegal migration from Bangladesh or for other neighboring countries, whether it is about our land rights, whether it is about what we do with our next generation. We are all, if you go to Delhi, does anyone know who's from Meghalaya, who's from Tripura, who's from Nagaland, who's from Manipur? They all call us by Northeasterners or Chinkis or sometimes Momos or Nepalis. But when we come back to our home, we become divided as Hindu and Christians. We get divided as Garos and Khasis, Maitais and Kukis. That is unfortunate, and we have to tell our people that till the time we keep on fighting and saying the same thing, but from different platforms, nobody will take us seriously. And if we have to negotiate with Delhi, we have to do it from a position of strength. Our numbers are less. Some of our states have even less population than one district in UP and Bihar. But if we can come together, then New Delhi will also have to take us more seriously. And that is my only aim. I think that the only way we can be taken more seriously is if New Delhi cannot divide us. So I think that is the agenda.
Whether the party will have different symbols.
Would you like to join this new party of mine? If you want to, then I will privately talk to you. But publicly, I'm not going to say anything right now, madam, because I know कि मीडिया कैसा घुमा के चला के कर सकता है. लेकिन अभी तो आप असम से हैं, तो अभी जुबिन कर के बारे में ज्यादा ध्यान दीजिए, उसका पोस्टमार्टम क्या होगा. I will talk about one thing. Whenever this happens, both Congress and BJP will have to listen to us more seriously. And I think that is what we should be standing up for, and not for symbols and names and all that. These are red herrings. These are things which is just there to divide us even further. Let us talk about solving our problems. Why isn't a single question being asked about inner line permit? Why isn't a single question being asked about Citizenship Amendment Act? Why isn't a single question being asked about our land rights? Why isn't a single question being spoken about illegal migration? So these are, what about delimitation after 2026? What will be our share in the parliament? When UP will, North India will get another 100 MPs, South India will get 50 MPs. How much will our share go up? All these things are questions which media should ask. But you are only asking questions because it is convenient right now.
Well,
but I'll say it with a smile. आपका confusion चला जाएगा. Daniel Langthasa is a Dimasa. If the Assam people think that Daniel Langthasa is not an Assam, so we are talking to other people. But right now, Daniel Langthasa is one we are talking to. We are speaking to people from Karbi Anglong. I myself went in campaign for Hagrama in Bodoland. So the tribals of Assam also need to be the indigenous people. I wouldn't say the word tribal is wrong, because the Maitais are also indigenous. The Boros are also indigenous. The Karbis and the Dimasas are also indigenous. So the Thai Ahoms are also indigenous. So we are talking to them, and when the right time comes, we will announce it.
This since
Gorkhas are indigenous. Why we are forgetting Gorkhas? So Gorkhas are indigenous.
Since you have mentioned about
Rabas, Hajongs, Koch.
Since you have mentioned about inner line permit, so how, because we have seen the center is mum on implementing ILP here in Meghalaya. How
Why only Meghalaya? Even in Tripura.
So how are you going to take it up, center? What
When we are all one, they better pay attention to us. It's not this center. Even when Congress was in center, they did not pay attention to. And I was in Congress, and I was a very loyal congressman. But I know in national parties, ma'am, let me tell you, when a chief minister from Northeast goes and has to wait for 10 days to get an appointment, is that fair on the people of Northeast? Where is the self-respect gone? But if we are one, they better give us appointment. They better listen to us. Or the people will answer. And our people want us to be strong. Our people don't want us to be weak. Because everyone has self-respect. It's not only the chief ministers or the ministers or the MPs who have self-respect. Even a poor kwai seller in Motran has self-respect. And we need to speak for them as well as we are talking about other people.
So this would entail all the parties merging into one entity.
You can call it amalgate. Amalgamation is a better word. The three rivers amalgate in India, right? Amalgamation is a better word. I think instead of calling it the word merger, I think amalgamation, because you take something out of me, I take something out of, I give something from my side to you, you give something from your side to me. I think the word amalgamation is a better word than merger.
So
Because we
despite-
do not want to destroy each other's distinct identities.